I thought we need to have women as mod. And also, yesterday, there were no mods. There were not a single mod in the stream. That was not fun. So, good boy. So yes, she is a mod. Why? Is she chatting? She probably isn't because she's a bomb. How could you tell if she's a mod or not? Yeah, but she's a mod. She's in every stream, so I thought I better give it to her at this point. I gave her mod. You sharded.
Why do I need to know that?
Subscribe, yeah, be like Dominic, subscribe. Yeah. Fridge review? Yeah, no.